Hello everyone. Welcome to my live. So today's live we are here at the beach resorts. The beautiful beach resorts here and Jeddah. So nasa Dora Beach kami. Dora Beach ba to? Yan. Ayan, ngayon ay hindi siya yun ang ganda ng isda. Yun maraming isda Look the fish. Ayan. Ayan, may fish. Ang dami. Look. Ayan sila, Ayun sila. Ayan, yung fish. Ayan, naglangoy-langoy sila. Ang linaw ng tubig. Gusto ko mag-swimming, kaso lang wala akong kasama. Okay. Ayan, may jet ski. If you want to ride the jet ski. Okay. Ayan. Ang ganda ng weather. Mi, tali na. Ayan. Yan yung mga isda Ayan Ayan. Ayan sila. Ayan yung isda. Look, Mimi, tali na may fish Ayan. Ang cute ng fish. Mi, come here, Mi, Look at the fish, Mi. Fish. Ayan sila. Okay. Ayan. Tali na. Yan may pusa. Tali na, look at the fish, Come here, Subi. A lot of fish. Look. Uy, so big. Yeah, look, Mimi, come here. Look. Ayan. Come here, look. Wala kami papakain ng yan, Look,
Sagir?
Yeah, Sagir. Hello. Yeah, she want eat, but we don't have food for them. Ayan. Yan sila.
Cute.
Yeah, cute.
Maragyan.
Ayan, ang black. Ang dami silang isda. Look at the fish. Look, black.
Come here, Sila.
Dahiya, wait. I want to take a video. 5 minutes. Tali na. Okay. Yeah. Look. Come here. Here. Come, hina, in my left side. Here. Tali. We are walking with Ayan. Mag-walk kami ni Maya. Ayan, doon tayo galing. Come here. Sophie, look at the fish. Big fish. Come here. Yeah, look the fish. Mashallah, hello.
Come here.
I want to catch the fish. Big. Look, the big fish, Mimi. Ayan, malaki siya, look, the big fish. Look. Ayan, laki niya, Look, Mimi. You know? You see that? Big.
Gazella.
I want to fishing.
Come.
Yalla.
Come here.
طيب, we will go there in Bahiyat. Yalla.
Someone here.
Where?
I'm playground.
Ah. Okay. Ayan. Ba't may bag is there? Oh.
Don't worry.
Ayan. So, nakita yun na yung beauty ng oh, ang pusa. Dito na naman yung pusa. Ang ganda.
Maganda.
Sus, kali. Yala, Rohin, ano? Yala na, tali na. Meow meow, she catch the, she want the fish. Yala.